Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Bafna. In this video, we're going to see how we can use a record trigger flow to call a flex prompt template. So what we will going to do? So we have an opportunity, right? So whenever opportunity move to stage close one, so I want to generate a summary on that particular opportunity record, right? So it should automatically get triggered, like as soon as anyone come and update the opportunity to the close one, it should generate the summary. So for that, what we will do, we will create a record trigger flow that will call a flex prompt template which we already created. This is my flex prompt template we have already created in previous video. We have seen that, right? So where like we are fetching account detail using merge field, opportunity details using merge field, contact detail using merge field. Then like we also have a related product sold. We have written the apex class to get fetch all these products sold. Then we have a cases, so we have written this template trigger flow to get or to retrieve all the related cases, right? So we already have that. This is already activated. So now first thing what I will do, I will go to the object manager and I will just search for opportunity object, and I will add one field called opportunity summary. So I will just click here, I will just say new, and I will just say type text area large or long, sorry, text area long. Next, I will keep all the settings default. I will just give the field name as a opportunity summary and just simply say next. Okay, just select visibility, everything for now. Just save. So now we have created that field. So now we will go back to our home and we will just search for flow in the quick find. So you can just click on this flow, just say new flow, and I will just say record triggered flow. Okay, so when I want to trigger this flow, so whenever the opportunity stage is close one, first I will select the opportunity. So it should be whenever the opportunity is updated. The conditional requirement, I will put all conditions are. Then like I can put stage name, then it should be close one. Okay, just save it, keep everything as a default. You can just give the name to the flow, Agentforce opportunity close one summary flow. That's it. Give it, save it. Now start first thing. So first thing we have to fetch account details, right? So I will just close this and I will fetch account details. So for that I can use a get records. So I can just say get account details quick, then select the object name as account, then on what condition, account ID which is equal to the record that has been written by the trigger, the opportunity record that has been written by the trigger, and that account ID. So what I will say, triggering opportunity dot account ID. Same way I will just going to fetch the contact detail, just search for get records. Now quickly I will put get contact details. This time the object will be contact. Okay, same condition, account ID, then triggering dot account ID, triggering opportunity dot account ID. Okay, so we have fetch get details, account details, and the contact detail. Now I have to call a template, right? A prompt template, a flex prompt template. So I will use the action component, and like once you use the action component, so you can just search for your prompt template name. So my it's Agentforce opportunity newsletter flex. This is my prompt template name. It is expecting a 3 variable, account, contact, and opportunity, right? So as you know, when previously we have created the flex prompt template, so we have bound that flex prompt template with the 3 object, account, contact, and the opportunity. What API name we have used? For account we have used obj account. For opportunity we have used obj opportunity. For contact we have used obj contact. So I just suggest just watch the previous video, so you will come to know. So we have to create the variable with the same name which we have declared while creating the flex prompt template. So I will just click here and I will create a 3 variable of type record. So I will just say variable, then I can just say obj account, then data type should be record, then it should be account, then it is available for input. Make sure this name is same. In same way I will create 2 more variable. I can click on new resource, variable obj contact, data type record, available for input, then select the contact as my object. Just say OK. Then I can just say variable, then obj. Make sure no spelling mistake. It should match with the name API name we have declared in the flex prompt template. Record, available for input, opportunity. Just save it. Now assign the value. So it's a obj account. Done. Obj contact, obj opportunity. Okay, so you can just save it. Okay, here you can give some better name. Cool. So now, but this all objects are null. We haven't done the assignment yet, right? So before action we have to do some kind of assignments. So we have to assign the record to each and every variable. So for that I can use the assignments. That what is our first variable? Obj account. So what we can assign? So we have fetched this get account record details, right? So we can assign that. So account from get account details. Simple. Same thing we do with obj contact, account from get contact, right? Then how we can assign opportunity? We haven't faced the opportunity, right? But we get opportunity in the triggering opportunity, right? Here I can say assign record to variable. Okay, just save it, just close this. Now at the end, once we get the response from the flex template, we need to update on the opportunity summary field. So we will see one method called update triggering record. So I want to update the triggering record, right? So opportunity is my triggering record. So here I can just say update triggering record, update opportunity summary. So which field I need to update? We have created opportunity summary field, right? So we need to update with a prompt response, with the output of this action. So which is output from Agentforce, and that is the prompt response. Just save it. So we have completed our flow, and I will just activate this. Cool. So now I will just click on this app launcher. I will just go to opportunity object. I will just say all opportunity. I will open one of the opportunity which is not in the close one. So I can just take this expression logistic portable truck. I will make this as a close one, select, and I will just say before that I will show you something, cancel. So if you see detail, in detail we don't have anything in the opportunity summary, right? So what I will do, I will move this to the close, select, and I will just say one, close one, save it. So it triggers the flow which we have created just now, and that flow will trigger a prompt template. It will get the prompt response back and it will update this field with a prompt response. Okay, let's see if something is, yeah, you can see the summary has been updated. Correct? So you can see it, the summary has been updated. Now let's try one more thing. Let's take one more record, go back to opportunities, So do we have anything? It's all close one here. Then like I can go to all opportunity. I take this is emergency generator. I change detail to perception analysis. Mark current as a current stage. It completed quickly, but no summary is updated, right? Now next thing, I will just say mark stage as a complete. I closed. Then I will use lost. Let's see if it generates the summary for lost. No, it haven't, right? Now I will again change back to uh, change close stage to 1. Let's see it able to generate a summary or not. It is. So let's wait. It takes some time. Okay, so now it's close 1 and you can see the summary now. Right, so that is how you can use a flex prompt template in record trigger flow, right? So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.